Yeah, hi friends, welcome to Techie Study and Azure DevOps series. In this session, we are going to discuss about how to resolve merge conflicts and add pull request merge conflict extension in Azure DevOps portal. Azure DevOps GitHub. Okay. So after installing the extension, select the conflicts tab from the within a pull request. Look through the list of files which conflicts and select a file to resolve. Select a resolution type for that file. Navigate to the conflicted section. Edit the file to manually merge. Submit the merge file. So if merge files occur right previously, whatever the file we have main branch, we can select that and we can submit the merge file manually and it will automatically merge it. So let's discuss about uh, how to add a pull request merge conflict and see the how we can resolve the this is the extension we need to add in our GitHub, sorry, Azure DevOps. So if you will add this, we can see the this window like this. Once the conflict section, it will show here which file we need to take source file and take target file. Target file is our may consider as a main branch. So if anything we need to solve and we can use keep target file and navigate to conflicted section and submit the merge it manually. Okay. So this is the process. Let's go and check how to add the pull request merge conflict extension to our Azure DevOps account. So here extensions. Let me copy it, get it free. So it will directly redirecting to our Azure DevOps account only. Let's wait. Install. All set. Done. Proceed to organization. Let me browse here. So this is added to my another organization account. This is my Microsoft account. If you remember previous, we saw the session how to configure the session Azure Data Factory to Azure DevOps. We have faced issue. That is when this is old organization account. This is our new organization, Karthik Karanam ORG. Let's install it. See, this is the one, our project. We have installed project settings. Let me show you the extension which is installed. Organization, organization settings, and extension. So we have installed our merge conflict, pull request merge conflict extension. Okay, let's go for organization, project, repos. So next time we can see if there is any merge conflict. So I will show you. Um, practically. So this is how we need to use our extension to add extension and solve the errors, conflicts, merge conflicts. Okay, so this is about today's topic. So if you are watching first time, please subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends. Comment, like, do it for better reach. Thank you so much. Bye bye.